with a clear focus on developing collaborative capabilities to solve manufacturing challenges using emerging technologies. NASSCOM COE launched the Manufacturing Innovation Challenge in the year 2020. This program, with an aim to leverage adoption of advanced technologies in the manufacturing sector, is engaging deep tech startups to collaborate with the manufacturing sector and develop innovative solutions.
I'd really like to thank the NASSCOM COE for taking up this Manufacturing Challenge 2020, and I commend them for the great work that they have done, and I look forward for Tata Chemicals to participating in such programs in future as well.
What I can tell you with my experience through this program was, one, I can vouch for the quality of the shortlisted startups and the kind of solutions they had come up with during this first edition of Manufacturing Innovation Challenge. In fact, in certain categories, I must be candid on this, that in certain categories, as jury, it was a tough call choosing one over the other startup.
This has been a crazy experience again, and I believe it's truly an amazing, and I think maybe once for the first time we are interacting in such a challenge wherein the business units or the industry and the startups are coming together and pitching for a very, very specific challenge, and then the reward is not just trophies but reward is an action project. So that means a lot for any startup.
The uniqueness was also that it had real business use cases, and the business sponsors were actively involved throughout the process. Last but not the least, the panel of jury members came from diverse backgrounds. Overall, our deepest gratitude to NASSCOM Center of Excellence IoT and AI.
As a winner, you have not only got the opportunity to become the member of the NASSCOM Center of Excellence, but also delighted to get a proof of concept and a full project from Bayer Vapi Private Limited.
After the impressive success of the first edition of the MIC in August, NASSCOM COE announced the second edition of the challenge in October 2020. MIC is incomplete without the able partners from the industry who supported the initiative by offering their counsel along with the critical use cases.